gonna be nice and beautiful recipe in the kitchen today with Chef Ricardo. We're gonna do some jerk chicken, marinated some jerk chicken, put down in your fridge, your freezer. If you're in your fridge, lasts up for 3 days. In your freezer, it lasts up to a month. So first of all, we're gonna put a tablespoon of either vegetable oil or olive oil on the chicken, just like this, all right? Roughly a tablespoon of oil. That is lovely and nice. All right. Secondly, we're going to put 1 tablespoon of mixed herb. You know what is mixed herb? Go into the local shop or your supermarket and ask for mixed herb, and you can get that in the local shop or supermarket. Secondly, 1 tablespoon of chicken season. You know what is chicken season? Go to your local shop or your supermarket and ask for chicken season. Secondly, we're just gonna crack a little bit of pepper. All right. Then thirdly, we got 3 cloves of garlic. This is garlic. You can get this in the local shop or supermarket to buy. We're gonna just squeeze it out just like this. All right. So basically, if you have one of these garlic squeezer, it works really good for you. And I'm gonna be using 3 cloves of garlic. All right, and once you do that and you squeeze out your garlic, you're very good to go. All right, and that looking lovely and nice. So when you squeeze out your garlic, this is what it look like trash after. So this garlic squeezer is very good for you to have one in your kitchen. All right, to do your lovely dishes them. 1 medium-sized white onion, which is very important for you guys to have. All right, so I'm gonna cut it up very finely. That's the white onion. That is fantastic and nice. Lovely. That's the white onion. Don't get me wrong, to be honest, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do now. I'm going to put some paprika on it. I left about ½ teaspoon of paprika. I love my paprika on my food. That is lovely and nice. We're not going to be using any salt, but I'm going to be cheating. I'm going to be using a little bit of this jerk season. I brought it at the supermarket. So I'm going to put on roughly about 1 teaspoon on it. Just a teaspoon on the jerk, on the chicken. Secondly, I'm going to be using my authentic natural blending season. All right, here it is, 1 teaspoon. All right, just a teaspoon and a little bit. That's my natural authentic blending season, Chef Ricardo blending season. It is on the YouTube channel. You can get it on the YouTube channel how to make it at home. All right. Secondly, use gloves. The blending season, you got thyme, spring onion, and a lot more seasoned garlic, ginger. So that's why you say if you have time, you can put some fresh thyme, but I'm just gonna marinate up the chicken like this now. All right, and once you marinate up your chicken, all you have to do is put it in your fridge for 1 good 2.5 days. Freezer can last up to a month, to be honest, and you'll be all right. So look at that. That is fantastic and nice. And look at the color of the chicken. Just beautiful. All right. So that's exactly what I call a proper jerk chicken. You know what I mean? If you're at home and you want to do yourself some jerk chicken, you know what I mean, just chuck it in the oven because the time is cool. You can't go outside to do it on the grill. So, you know what I mean, just marinate up some jerk chicken like this, and the kids will be happy. Everyone will love it and nice. All right, look at that. Very, very, very nice recipe. for you to make at home, and it doesn't complicate it. It is very easy and simple to make at home, guys. Very, very lovely chicken dish right here, and it's just amazing, really nice and lovely. So what I want to simply say to you, for this recipe, please leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipes like this coming, and we will see you next time. So you can just put this into a container, a sealed container, and put it into your fridge, or you can put it into your freezer for a month in your fridge, 24 hours, and cook it after. Lovely recipe. Enjoy it, and I will see you next time. Jerk chicken, how to marinate it, from Chef Ricardo. Easy recipe.